Hi, and welcome back to this channel. So today I am going to teach you how to fix if you are experiencing lag while playing Roblox. So here are some steps you can take to try and improve performance. So first of all, what you can do is to check your internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So a slow or unstable connection can cause lag in online games like Roblox. So try restarting your modem or router or connecting to a different network if it is possible. So next is to lower graphics settings. So within the Roblox game settings, you can lower the graphics quality and turn off any unnecessary graphical effects. So this can help reduce the strain on your computer's resources and improve performance. Next is to close unnecessary programs. So close any other programs or browser tabs running in the background, as they can consume system resources and impact Roblox performance. Next is to adjust studio settings. So if you are experiencing lag while using Roblox Studio, you can adjust some settings to improve your performance. So to adjust Roblox Studio settings, what you can do is to open your Roblox Studio, and then on the upper left corner of your screen, you should click File and then go to the Studio settings and then click it. So in this, you will go to rendering, and under this, you can lower the quality level and disable unnecessary options like real-time shadows. Next is use wired connection. So if you are playing on a laptop or mobile device, consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. So a direct Ethernet connection can provide a more stable and faster internet connection. Next is you upgrade your hardware. So if your computer's hardware is outdated or doesn't meet the minimum system requirements for Roblox, you may experience lag. So consider upgrading your RAM, graphics card, or even getting a faster processor to improve performance. So next is close background processes. So open the task manager or just type in Control-Shift Escape on Windows and close any unnecessary background processes that are using system resources. So just be cautious not to close any essential system processes. Lastly is to reinstall Roblox. So if lag persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. So this can help resolve any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the issue. So that is all, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.